Honor is ready to unveil new top-end smartphone, Honor 300. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone will run on Android-based Magic OS system with some better updates over the previous generation models. The phone has 5G and dual SIM capability paired with Adreno GPU, and to give more power, there will be an octa-core processor and equipped with Snapdragon chipset. Honor 300 sports a tri-cam setup for best photos and videos recording. The front part holds a 50 megapixel front sensor. If talk about the display, it will be OLED panel with a 6.7 inches big screen size. The device packs a 5200 mAh cell and reverse wire charging support. That's all for now and thanks for watching.